engine. See, the next problem is if this doesn't work, we're going to have to decamp into the Tesla, so that means swapping a few things over. What we don't want to do is get back on the auto route and have more of an issue, so we're going to have to make an executive decision pretty shortly. But it's not supposed to look like a steam engine.
Oh, is it not a steam engine?
The bad news is that she's died. We think it's a blown head gasket, but it's not over because Billy's car has 6 seats. We're using 5 of them, and we've deployed every other millimetre of space in the Batmobile for all our clobber. So now there's everyone and all my stuff in the car, and we're going to leave the old girl here and crack on. So
did you get deja vu packing the car?
Oh, I do every now and then. I do say why me, but I guess that'll change. So yeah, the most important thing is we're all safe. No dramas really. I mean, it's all about keeping it in perspective. We're still on the road, but we just had to move it around. So back in the Batmobile with everyone, and the road trip continues. Come on, baby. See, the problem is they're making preparation. Oh, hello. Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, all good, you alright?
Yeah, all good. Alex is filming me
Hello.
because we got some news.
You're pregnant?
No. Unfortunately, the camera has passed on to the other side. Yeah, we think the head gasket's gone. We were just cruising, me and Yanis. We had the tape player playing some very old Queen, and it was a bit slow and a bit warped. And then I looked down, I thought, oh no, I can sit, and the temperature had shot right up. So I got straight on Yanis got on the blower to these guys and said, pull over. It was luckily only 2,000 meters, and we pulled in. So she's at her resting place. I don't know if it's her final resting place, but yeah, she's there. So a little bit of drama.
I've been a little bit emotional.
I know. Well, we've decamped.
You should have left her behind. When I said to you, bring her back, I should have just left her there.
Well, it's just another. It's just another day in the moon's life, really.
How far away are you?
We were, when it happened, about 3 3/4 hours away, so I couldn't have limped it back.
So you're not on the motorway?
We were on the motor, and we've left her in the services.
No.
Yes.
You need to tell the car dogs and that they're going to think she's going to like
That-
might be a problem.
No, it's fine. We'll make a plan of attack to do the extraction. But for now, we're all decamped, and everyone and all our gear and everyone else is. The Tesla is completely loaded, so we're all good. At the moment, we're just at the charging stations. Look.
Oh, okay, cool.
So yeah, we've got 40 minutes here, and then we're back to capacity, and we're back on the road again.
And then when do you think you'll be back?
What I'll do, I'll give you as soon as we've finished, it will give us the update, and I'll let you know.
Oh, I feel a little bit sad losing the camera.
We haven't.
You'll be alright. Oh, that's cool.
Alright, cool. I'll speak to you in a bit.
See you later. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
It's gonna be cozy. That's gonna be one cozy trip.
It was never going to be dull. Alright, love you.
Bye.
Bye. So there you have it, a little bit emotional. It's like losing one of the family, but we haven't lost a family member or a part. It's just a blip. And as someone said to me, everyone's entitled to a blip. And bless her, I said, there's always a silver lining. We could have got stuck on the motorway. And as it was, she rolled in and made it into the services. So I always try and look on the positive, and the organ's done. So it's all good.
Win-win.
Let's crack on.
Hello everybody and welcome to Sunday evening. Sun's just starting to go down at the Magical Moon House. You'll notice that I am on my own again. There is a reason for this. He's gone back. Not because he wanted to, obviously he'd like to, but not because he wanted to, but because there was a slight situation on the way here. So on Friday evening, they all made it in one car. but they left in 2. So you know where this is going. Put it this way, there was a lot of smoke and a bit of a situation, but it's all okay. But Nick's had to leave this evening with a recovery vehicle to go and pick up our 25-year-old Camry, who, bless her little heart, has trogged back and forward to be able to do what it's done, but it's just finished. It can't cope. It's just gone, no, I'm not doing that no more. And it gave up on the side of the road. So it's currently parked in the services somewhere over the Pethericks way. So yeah, it's about 4.5 hours, I think, they've got to drive to go and pick it up. And then Nick's going to bring it back again this evening so he can be here tomorrow for his mum and Tony, who are going to be arriving to spend the festive period with us. And we can't wait. It's going to be brilliant. See you soon, Nanny baby. So yeah, it's just been one of those like crazy weekends, to say the least. But it's been amazing. Billy came, brought Alex, done amazing videos, loads of drone footage. You're going to be like, honestly, oh, made me so proud. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and cannot wait to see the video on Monday because I've not seen it yet. So, but I've put together a little bit of a vlog of our weekend. It's more me filming them filming. So yeah, so you'll get an idea of what's going to happen. And yeah, no, it's just going to be really brilliant. But I'd just like to say a huge thank you once again to all of you for supporting us and following us and giving our legends a voice. And also I'd like to say a huge thank you to Billy and everyone for coming this weekend and really making this a really special time. Sadie, you weren't here, you missed out on Mama Moon's cooking. Next time though. So yeah, it was just fabulous, and just thank you to everybody. And as I say, Nick and I are completely humbled that this has gone where it's gone, and he's going where it's going. It's just incredible. It really is amazing, and I just can't thank you all enough. So I'm gonna get on because I'm on my own. Charlie's in the house looking after Oscar. He's doing his homework and got Oscar, and I'm gonna do the horses again on my own. I'm used to that now. So yeah, I'm going to go and get on, and then I'm going to hopefully see Nick at some point in the early hours of the morning. So anyway, I shall see you later, and thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, so we're just leaving now. I'm following Billy up, back up to where we came from, where the car broke down. I've borrowed a recovery truck off a very good friend of mine, Kevin, who I do some mechanicking with. So it's looking good. We're back on the road again.
So last night I sent the boys out to put the rugs on because I thought I was doing dinner, get it done. But they obviously wanted to do it quite quickly because Magic is wearing his underrug, so his pyjamas, on top of his outdoor like ski suit. So a bit like, what is it, Superman, where he wears his pants on the outside. He's got superpowers today as our Magic. He's wearing his rugs the wrong way round. Thank goodness he didn't roll.